I can say second chord is 9 centimeter. We have a perpendicular line to it, 16 centimeter, and another perpendicular line to that line, 12 centimeter. So we are now asked to calculate radius. In this instance, we have a quadrant, and then to make it easy for us to do this work, let's draw the full circle. Now we have a full circle. Let's extend this. The fact that we have a line like this from the quadrant and comes to the circle like this, to the center. You understand? And it's cutting the chord. It will be half because it moves from the chord to the center straight. It will be for the full chord. This 9 centimeter will be half of the chord. So this other part will be 9. So the whole chord is 18 centimeters. That is 9 plus 9. Now we have the line perpendicular to that chord, 16 centimeters. So let's draw another one parallel to this one, and another one parallel to this one. So this one and this one are parallel. This one and this one, they are parallel. So this one is also 16, and this one is also 12. From here, let's draw this line down. You can see. Let's draw it down. So from here to here now will be 18 units. 18 units. So from here to here now, we'll be able to calculate it using the relationship of the product of parts of the chord. So let's make it like this. C, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, we know from the products of the chord, it means that FT multiplied by TD must be equal to CT plus, let's make this one G, TG. So FT multiplied by TD is equal to CT multiplied by TG. What is FT? FT is 12 plus 18. From here to here. FT is FE plus ET. FE is 12 plus 18. FE is 12. ET is 18. That is what you have done here. TD is 12. CT is 16. So TG, let's find it. So we have 30 multiplied by 12 is equal to 16 TG. So TG is equal to 30 times 12 divided by 16. 3, 4. 90 divided by 4. 4, 2. 10, 2. 5. So TG is 22.5 units. So here is 22.5 units. From this place, we can calculate our R. Let's look at first way we can look at it. Here, how do we calculate this distance? We know that the total length of this place, that is CG, will be equal to 16 plus 22.5, and that is 38.5. Here, let's make this place H. CH is equal to HG, which is 38.5 divided by 2. That is 19.25. Therefore, we can calculate TH. TH is equal to CH minus CT. CH minus CT. So, that gives us, what is CH? We have calculated that on 19.25. CT is 16. So TH is 3.25. You have gotten this distance now. 3.25 easily. Then we have gotten this place, and from here to here we have already known it. Therefore, for R, you see, R can be from here to here. R can be from here to here. From here to here now, we have gotten it. This is 12 and this is 9. So from, okay, let me see, H, let me make this place J. You can see. So let's make it like this, JD. And we have gotten TH. So R can be from here to here, or from here to here. So you can see. So it can say R squared is equal to J, or this place is also J. CH squared. KC squared plus CH squared. We can also say is equal to JD squared plus CH squared, because it's also TH. So let's call this with DZ. Let me make it Z. Which will be equal to JD squared plus DZ squared. This place and this place. JD squared, DZ squared. So if we use either of these two, we can say this place to this place. That is 9 plus 12, 21. And this place to this place. We can calculate it. We've gotten it is 3.25. So let's see. Or we can use this place. From this place to this place. We got this one to be TG. That is 16 plus 22.5 divided by 2. That is this place. And then we add this to this one. So let's see. KC. What is KC? That's 9 squared. What is CH? That is 16 plus 22.5 over 2. That is 38.5 over 2. And that gives us 9 squared plus 19.25 squared. And that is equal to. So after using calculator, this is the answer. 451.5625. Therefore, R equals to 21.25. So either of the two, that is what is going to give you as radius. R is equal to 21.25. Let's look at it from another perspective. Now, let's look at it from another perspective. Let's draw R to pass through this point. The point of intersection of the two chords. This place, we can calculate this place. L. We can calculate this L. We know what JC is. That is 9. We know what this place is. 3.25. So L squared is equal to 9 squared plus 3.25 squared. So L is equal to square root of 9 squared plus 3.25 squared. And what does that give me? So that gives 91.5625 square root. This is L. So from here to here is R. From here to here is R. We know that we can also apply the product of parts of the chord to this. So we can now say if this is O, this is R. From here to here is R plus L. And from here to here will be R minus L. Will be equal to FT, that is 12 plus 18, 30. Plus, that multiplied by 12. So we can now say R squared minus L squared is equal to 360. And we know what our L squared is, 91.5625. So R squared is equal to 360 plus 91.5625. And that is going to give us 451.5625. So, finding the square root of this is going to give us 21.25. Just like the other time. You can see, we get it faster now. Very easy. Now, let's look at it using trigonometry. From this place to this place, once we use Pythagoras, we realize that this place is 20, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. That's 20. Now let's put the center here. And from here to here, this is R, this is R. Radius of the circle. This place is 9, this place is 9. The total length is 18. The total length is 18. Then, the sine of this place and cosine of this angle, let's call this alpha. Sine alpha is 12 over 20, which is 3 over 5. Cos alpha is 4 over 5. Let's make the whole angle here to be theta. The whole angle there is theta. Now let's find this length. And let's make this one x. This theta multiplied by 20 cos theta. And from this, 90, since theta is 90 plus alpha, cos theta will be equal to minus sine alpha. Will be equal to minus sine alpha. So we can now say that, and we know sine alpha to be 3/5. So we can say x squared is equal to 18 squared plus 20 squared minus 2 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 3/5. So here is 4. Oh, minus, sorry, minus. So at the end of the day, we are going to have 18 squared plus 20 squared plus, this is 12, 24 times 18. And let's see, what is x squared? So x squared is 156. So what further? We know that alpha from the table is 36.87 degrees. So theta is equal to 126.87 degrees. Now, please come back to this page. Let's draw this chord to intersect here. We know that the sum of this angle here and this one will be giving us 180 degrees. So let's call this one 180 minus theta. And this, the total angle here will be equal to double of 180 minus theta. The angle here will be equal to 180 minus theta. So let me call this one beta. And this place will be 2 beta. So beta will be equal to 180 minus 126.87. That is 53.13 degrees. That is beta. So the angle at the center here is 2 beta, which is 106.26 degrees. So let's find our R straight now. 0.26. So R X. So we have this to be x squared will be equal to R squared plus R squared minus 2R multiplied by R cos 106.26, which will give me 2R minus 2R squared minus 2R squared cos 106.26. So this will be 2R squared into 1 minus cos 106.26. Therefore, R squared will be equal to, we have gotten our x squared the other time, 1156. 1156 divided by 2 into 1 minus cos 106.26. And that gives us 451.564. So from here, you calculate R to be equal to 21.25 units. Again, very straightforward. We can also cut this into 2 like this. And this place will be x over 2. This place will be x over 2. And we know this one too. We are going to have 53.13 here. 53.13 here. So we can also use this relationship. So from here, we see that x is 34. That is square root of 1156. So we have this x over 2. This place will be 17. This is R. This is 53.13 degrees. Therefore, we can say that 17 over R is sine 53.13 degrees. So R will be equal to 17 divided by sine 53.13, which is equal to 21.25. So you can see we have shown like 3 or 4 ways of solving this question.